Okay, so I'm sitting in front of my camper who is finally ready to hit the road after I think 10 months of hard work. And I am just beyond words at how happy I am to have a roof and a place for my dogs and I and everything. And of course, I don't have it completely ready, but I have it very ready. And I'm really excited to show you what I've done, reused, and I also want to tell you that it's been a pain in the butt. There have been so many struggles and so many difficulties that were unimaginable starting this project. And if I can do it and have that motivation and energy somehow from somewhere with like the FND and all of the neurological and strength issues and everything, it's possible. It is possible. Anyone can do anything. So I'm excited to show you Lady Marmalade. I will remember you. No copyright infringements here. Will you remember me? Don't let your life pass you by. Weep not for the memories. Remember the good times that we had. I let them slip away from us when things got bad. How clearly I saw you smiling in the sun. Wanna feel your warmth upon me. Wanna be the one. Hey, sister, go, sister, soul, sister, flow, sister, hey, sister, go, sister, soul, sister, go, sister. I met Marmalade down in old Arizona, strutting her stuff on a hill. She said, hello, hey, doe, you wanna give it a go? Oh, uh-huh. Getcha, yeah, yeah, da, da. Getcha, yeah, yeah, he. This is so bad. White and orange, yeah, yeah, oh yeah. She is Lady Marmalade. Puis-je dormir en toi ce soir? Puis-je dormir en toi ce soir? Puis-je dormir en toi ce soir? Ooh, Lady Marmalade. So sorry. I'm so sorry for all of that. But, yeah, this was quite the adventure, quite the process. There's the desert, flew across the desert. She was a lot more to take on than I'd ever imagined I could do or take on. But, yeah, that stupid cabinet that wouldn't fit through the door that I made my dad saw through the steel in half. Weep not for the memories. Okay, here she is. Looks so much better than half ripped apart sardine can. I've added all my hooks and lights. on the outside, and some eye hooks and everything, handle, because I can't do much. A step, which isn't out, but yeah, and my hooks for like towels and things. So we have the outside over. That water tank is going to eventually be a shower. So we have that. This is the other side. And yeah, new pretty much everything that, you know, like watering tank, dump. This is where I'll get to my water tanks. I had to get a new one propane so far, still an old one. But yeah, oh, what I'm really excited about is over here I put a light, because this is where the shower is gonna come off. It's gonna be an outdoor shower. But enough about what it's going to be. Isn't that cute, the little like stained glass stuff? Let's see what it is. So there's some of that privacy film on the outside. Going in, of course, I have my broom and my horseshoe I found in the desert. When you walk in now, instead of a cabinet, a big closet, there's just a table and a place for stuff. Dog leashes mainly, dog stuff. I'm gonna close the door. Okay, and we have over here, we have a light, some hooks over the desk, and then my poppy theme, bookshelf, and then the kitchenette area. Here you can kind of see, I'll show you some details in a second. Let's do a whole walk around. Yeah, here's the bedroom, the curtains. Oh, that's better. The curtains, and everything kind of leading into the bedroom. We have in here, we have that beautiful wallpaper and bookshelf, a medicine cabinet. Hi. Yeah, it's a little dark, but then I have this tin ceiling up here. Those cool lights, and this dream catcher that my mom made that has been with me everywhere for as long as I can remember. But yeah, and then I have one of those lights on this side, and what this tin ceiling is hiding is some storage space, a bunch up here that you can't really see with this curtain. Now, some of my favorite things, like this horseshoe that I found in the desert. I always have my broom upside down by the door to sweep away the negativity, right? And then this cabinet, you know, I built all this, and this, the leftover wallpaper on this pegboard, and an original handle from this metal thing that was so easy to get in here. But this guy is actually a sewing machine. So it will open. Yeah, maybe. Oh no, I need to push that in a little bit. It'll, okay, we'll work on that. We'll work on how we're gonna do that, but it will open. Oh, it opens when it's not on there. So that's a sewing machine, and then now I have to figure out how to get it down. Okay, well, we're working out some kinks, obviously. But yeah, so we have what I did was I took one large bamboo thing and I cut it into 4 pieces for the 4 small windows. And then, of course, the original stovetop. The refrigerator door is now part of the metal cabinet. If you remember that original wood that was like underneath the benches and the beds and stuff, I took that and I made these cabinets with it. And I kept the original hardware here. I also, this was in one of the drawers that was in the trailer, so I had to hang it up because it's adorable. This was some of the original trim around the table since I made it smaller to hold in the spices. And this was from the inside of the refrigerator, which I've also used as trim over here. And then the eagle level, my favorite thing. Like, it's so 80s biker and amazing. I'm obviously not level. Yeah, and then of course plants and carnivorous plants, teas, and this box, because the drawers would come open, I have just put some old eye hooks and a bolt through it so it won't. Again, the original stuff that goes around, that went around the countertop and the table, and I even reused the original nails in some places. I did this little cabinet also with the film. It's my little tea cabinet. And then I made these shelves with the pegboard and just some wood and original hardware to the trailer again. The original plate is beautifully placed in here, and I have a few little shelves over there where I will have like plants, and my spiders will sit down there and they'll be happy. So yeah, this is you know, the kitchen area. I can get back far enough to see that. And the stove part wasn't really, you know, great. So these are just glued on, and I have one burner that works. This was original too. It was on the cabinet. My water tanks are underneath my bed in here, and I showed you I can get to them from the outside. I've reused these original pieces of metal that were holding the like cushions in place, and of course that original wood wherever I can. So yeah, here's a nice little view from down below. And I put back on this little table and the original stand. The original table, I cut it down and put back on the screws and the nails. And maybe the coolest spot of the whole trailer is this down here. It doesn't have a dog bed in it yet, but it's Violet's little cubby hole, because she absolutely loves caves, being a little coyote. So she has her own little cubby, and of course there's going to be dog beds everywhere. But welcome to Lady Marmalade. I'm just so thrilled and so thankful and so grateful, and I mean, we still have a lot to go. There's leaks in the windows and the ceiling and things, but it's too cold and wet and rainy here to caulk right now, so I'm just gonna do that later and hope it doesn't rain too hard. So yeah, I'm really excited. Thank you everybody who has helped me, supported me on my adventure, believed in me, and you know, sent that positive energy, because whew, this was rough. It was rough. Okay, now to go and load it up and get on the road. One thing I am gonna do is this is the original fan cover on the top, and I think that would look good in the kitchen, painted with Lady Marmalade on it, because she has to have her name on her. And then of course, you know, I'm gonna paint the outside, so that'll be the next update. Thank you so much again. I love you all.